I'm going to bake you the best magical cake ever! Flourish and fly! Uh-oh, that was too much flourish. No problem. Sweepity sweep, clean this heap.
Loud, angry meow!
Stop, bad broom! I command you to freeze! Oh no, the oven! Okay, reverse! Thaw it out, make it hot! No, 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 no! Don't burn the recipes! Let's just get the eggs out safely. Eggs emerge! Wait, no! Come back here, your ingredients! Gotcha! Huh. Ah! Oof. Missed. Good boy, Barnaby! Now mix it up nice and slow. I said slow! Slow! This is a disaster. I just wanted to make you something special. I ruin everything. You know what? We don't need perfect. We just need magic. Mish mash, splish splash, bake it in a flash! Whoa! Whoa! I think it worked! Happy birthday, Barnaby! Dig in! Meow.